Hi, today we are going to talk about indexes and optimization. An index in general term is an alphabetical list of names with reference to a book. In SQL, indexes are special lookup tables that is used by the database search engine to speed up the data retrieval process. So an index is simply a reference to data in a table. The two most commonly used indexes are clustered index and non-clustered index. A clustered index can store like data values based on primary keys. And there can be only one clustered index in a table, as the values can be stored in one particular order. And you can imagine index as a tree structure where there is a root node followed by the intermediate levels as well as the leaf node, and finding the correct value in three easy operations. For example, if we are looking for 900th store ID, then it goes to the root node followed by the intermediate levels, and then it comes to the final leaf node. So in three easy steps, we can find out the data value instead of reading the entire data rows. So the advantage of indexing is enormous. And now let us look about optimization. What is optimization? The main aim of optimization is to increase the efficiency of fetching the results faster and to reduce the load on the CPU. And for that we need to write better semantics and syntactical nature of the query. We need to improve upon on that. So what happens is it goes through the parser block, then it goes to query optimization, execution, and then we get better results. Now there are certain golden rules in writing effective queries. The most golden rule is to limit the number of data rows which is being fetched. We should not retrieve more data than what we require. Here I am considering a customer table. So instead of using select star, we can particularly be specific on retrieving the column name, like select customer name, etc. So we are being very specific, and once all the queries match, the results are produced. And we have to be very cautious when it comes to having a where clause and a having clause. Where clause, it suggests the condition, and whatever the rows matches the condition, it is fetched. Having groups, it works with the aggregator like a group or order by. So there are specific situations where this can be used. Now the other thing is, like, we can also limit the number of results that we are getting. See here, for example, we can use stop, row num, limit instead of using a select star. So when we don't want to fetch an entire database using select statement, we can use the top 3 results or row number. We can limit it, or else the select star will produce the necessary information as well as the unnecessary information from the database. Sorry. And then we have to place extra importance on indexing rather than using or not, because when we use or not, indexing is not taken into account. And then finally SQL tuning. So we have to be very careful when we are writing the queries. So if there is a large table, then we need to place index, and if we need to fetch rows, then we need to use stop, row num, like that. And we have to avoid functions. We have to avoid writing complicated queries, inner queries, and all that. And we also need to avoid the common mistakes. Whenever we are comparing operators, string especially, we need to use double quotes, and the equal to operators must be kept in mind. So all that, everything plays a role in writing better queries, and this in turn improves the efficiency as well as optimization. So thank you. This is all about the indexing and optimization. Thank you.